like it just magically grows and watch. Fire-breathing dragon. And the nail goes right through my finger. Looks like it's going right through my hand. Grab it like this. I can actually pull it. My ear! EvanEraTV.com. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 7 magic pranks for Halloween. Watch the candle and watch the dragon's mouth. He actually just breathes fire. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to teach you how to create your own fire-breathing pumpkin. Okay, Sasha, check it out. I have a little Halloween prank here. This is a classic Halloween illusion. This isn't real. I'm actually going to explain how that's done a little later in the video, but I actually have something a little more serious to show you with this.
Ooh, what are you doing? We're carving a pumpkin?
No, this is an ice pick. And just
no.
Watch.
Oh, that's nasty.
Everyone knows Halloween is synonymous with candy treats. So I'm going to show you a really cool trick that you can do with a Halloween treat. So I have a little Swedish fish here, and I just want to show you something cool. So watch the little candy. If I just hold it at my fingertips like this and I wave over it, it looks like it just magically grows into a giant candy. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to learn the secret to the giant growing candy trick. All right, Ava, happy Halloween. You know the old trick where you like reach behind someone's ear and pull out a quarter?
Yeah.
All right, so this is kind of like that, but it just uses my ear. Watch. If I just take my ear and grab it like this, I can actually pull it. My ear! Okay, Sasha, check this out. So you remember the little spider boxes and snake boxes, like a snake or a spider pops out. So this one is similar. This is a little haunted house, you can see, and it says open if you dare. It's got a little door right there. So go ahead and open the door to the little haunted house if you dare.
I don't know what's gonna get me. I think it's a little spider. What did you do?
Open if you dare.
I was expecting a spider to come out.
What'd you do?
What is that?
Okay, Sasha, as you know, it is Halloween time. I have a little Halloween challenge for you. This is the little mummy in the coffin. So check this out. We're gonna sit it down on the table for this challenge. So the challenge is to see if you can get the little mummy to stay in his coffin. So it's kind of hard. I'll let you try it. It seems like it would be easy, but it's actually difficult.
It looks like he fits. What?
You gotta get it to lay flat. Here, let me try. So it's kind of crazy. If you set it upright like this, and you lay him in like this, and then tilt him back, actually lay right.
No.
Just like that. Isn't that crazy?
Oh, that is crazy.
Here, you can try it.
Okay, so you stood him up. You laid him in.
What happened?
Okay, you stood him up, you laid him in, you tilted him down.
Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm gonna teach you and you the secret of pulling this off. All right, here's how they're done. I'm about to reveal the secrets. The secrets to these tricks are extremely simple, and I'll teach you how they're done right now. Okay, here is how you set up the fire-breathing pumpkin trick. So first things first, you're obviously going to need a big pumpkin. Now your next step is to decorate the pumpkin. Now you might not have as good of art skills as Sasha. She did a great job illustrating this dragon on the pumpkin for us. If your dragon illustrated onto the pumpkin, you're then going to cut a small hole right here at the mouth of the dragon. So we're gonna take our drill and just bore a little hole right through the pumpkin just like that. So you're gonna rotate the pumpkin around, and on the back side, you're going to cut a hole for your arm to go in. Now, obviously, your next step is going to be to scoop out all the pumpkin guts. So once you have your hole cut in the pumpkin and you got your guts cleaned out, now it's time to load your fire-breathing apparatus. This is fittingly called Dragon's Breath. This is actually very fine sawdust powder. So we're going to take the little nozzle and uncap it, and we're going to load it into the pumpkin. The next thing you're going to need is a candle. This is going to provide the ignition for your dragon flame. And we need need to position it right in front of our dragon's mouth. Now all you have to do is squeeze the bottle of dragon's breath and a flame will come out of the dragon's mouth. You can have this set up on your porch for Halloween. Then all you have to do is slide your hand into the pumpkin to operate it, squeeze the bottle, and the dragon magically breathes fire. That is how you create a fire-breathing pumpkin. Here is the secret to the magic nail through the finger. So this is just an illusion. It's a classic Halloween prop. It's a plastic nail and it kind of bends in the middle like this. The gauze has some red ink on it to make it look like a wound, and you just slide your finger through here and boom, you've got an instant Halloween prank to freak out your friends and family. Stay tuned for the end of this video to win this magic prop in the giveaway. Here is the explanation to the magic ice pick trick. This is a classic movie prop. It's also used by magicians. It's a retractable ice pick. Looks like it's going right through my hand. As you push and put pressure, the pick actually retracts into the handle. This is hollow and it's spring loaded, so it will pop back out like this. So you can put it up to your forearm, your hand. Another perfect Halloween prank. Stay tuned for the end of the video. If you want to win this prop, I'm gonna give it away to one lucky person. Okay, here is what you need to set up the giant growing candy prank. So you're going to need a package of a normal size candy. In this case, we're using Swedish fish. And then we also have a jumbo version of it called the Swedish fish. That's actually like a squishy toy. So as you can see, this really does just look like a giant version of the little candy. So you're going to position the candy in your fingertips like this so that when you place the large one in front, you can secretly drop it into your palm like that. So now your big fish is going to be palmed in your hand. Now I will say this depends on the size of your hand if you can palm this thing or not. You can also experiment with full-size candy bars and small candy bars like the mini size ones if your hands are a little smaller than mine. So you're going to palm your giant fish like this, and then as you bring it over, it looks like it just magically grows into a giant fish. Also, this is not real food. It's like a squishy toy. Stay tuned for the end of the video. If you want to win the squishy fish, I'm giving it away to one lucky comment. There's a lot of different variations you can do on this. You can do it with different types of candy. You can even flatten it into a fortune teller fish. If you don't have a fortune teller fish, stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving a bunch of these away. And if you place any order on EvanEraTV.com, now through the end of October, you will receive a free fortune teller fish with your order. Magically curls up. Okay, obviously what you're going to need to set up the cut-off ear prank are some severed ear props. You can find these at pretty much any Halloween store. They are just fake latex ears, Halloween props. So you're gonna kind of palm and conceal this in your hand, reach up to your ear, and as you reach up and seemingly grab your ear, you're just going to reveal this as you yank it off and kind of make that motion. And as you turn your head, you're going to bring the fake ear into their field of view. Really looks like you just pulled your ear off. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win a fake ear. Here is the secret house prank. If you look inside here, there's actually a mouse trap that we're gonna spring load into action like this. And then as you can see, the little door has a wire attached to it right here. And that is what deploys the mouse trap. So you slide this into there like that, and now it is spring loaded. So now whenever someone pulls the door open, the mouse trap will spring just like that. Each of the sides also break away. They're just independent pieces, and some of them have little wood pegs that align right above the arm of the trap so that when it springs open, it pops them out. The other side that doesn't have a peg will fall off naturally, as will the roof. Everyone seems to think it's going to be a spider prank, like a little spider's gonna pop out, so it is a great surprise every time. Okay, here is the secret to the Magic Mummy Challenge. So as some of you may have figured out, this is magnetic. There's a secret magnet inside the mummy's coffin. This is a new trick that we have available at EvanEraTV.com just in time for Halloween. Now here's the secret to winning the challenge every time. It's super simple. They can try as much as they want and it will jump out of the coffin and not lay flat every single time. Here is the secret to getting it to lay flat. You just take the coffin, and when you set it on the table like that, you shift the magnet inside the drop down so that when you sit the mummy inside, it will now lay flat in the coffin as you set it down. Now all you have to do when you hand it back to them is simply tilt it the other way as you dump the mummy out and hand it back to them, and now the magnet's shifted back and it will jump right back out. So you can bet money on this. You can win money from your friends and family with this. Head over to EvanEraTV.com and pick up the magic mummy trick today. Alright guys, that is it for this Halloween special of How to Magic. That is 6 years running of Halloween episodes. I have a huge merch announcement. Every Friday until Christmas, we will be dropping new merch on EvanEraTV.com. A new new magic product, or a new piece of apparel. Something brand new, something really cool that you haven't seen before, or something we featured in an episode of How To Magic that you guys have requested that we carry. So stay tuned every Friday for a new merch drop, and every episode will feature that new product. This week's merch drop in honor of Halloween is the new magic mummy trick, which is available now at EvanEraTV.com. If you place your orders today, you might get it in time for Halloween, depending on where you live. So head over to EvanEraTV.com. The link is in the description as always. EvanEraTV.com, EvanEraTV.com, EvanEraTV.edu is not a site, so don't go to that. Go to EvanEraTV.com. Thank you so much for your support. Be sure to like, thumbs up the video, and leave your comments down in the comment section. I read all of them. Also, if you take the time to share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, your YouTube, I really appreciate it, and that really helps the video get more views and the channel get more subscribers. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. Everything you saw, the nail through the finger, the ice pick, the severed ear, the giant fish, the haunted house box, and the magic mummy in the coffin trick. All of these are up for grabs in the giveaway. All you have to do to win, leave a comment in the comment section. Give the video a thumbs up and be subscribed to the channel. We are on the road to 3 million subscribers. I need your help though. I need you to share the videos. I need you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Thank you for supporting us making these videos. We do put a lot of effort into them, and we really appreciate all the support on the channel. Time to announce the winners from our last How To Magic video giveaway. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys. Happy Halloween.